Welcome to the English Listening Channel. Today, we listen to a conversation at an airport about a little girl's first flight. I will speak slowly and clearly. Question: what are clouds made of? Listen carefully. Let's begin.
We are finally here, Sophie.
Daddy, look! The airport is so big.
Yes, it is very big. Be careful.
Okay, Daddy, I am so excited.
I know. It is your first flight.
I want to see the airplanes. Where can I see them?
We will see them soon. Please don't run.
But Daddy, look at all the people.
Yes, many people are traveling today. Stay close to me.
Okay, Daddy, where do we go first?
We go to the check-in counter. It is over there.
I see a big airplane outside the window. Wow, that is a big one. Is that our airplane?
Maybe.
Daddy, can I sit by the window?
Yes, you can. I asked for a window seat.
Yay! Thank you, Daddy. You are the best.
You're welcome. Now, please hold my hand.
Okay. Daddy, I love airports.
Me too. Let's go.
Daddy, why is the airport so big?
Because many airplanes come here every day.
How many airplanes?
Maybe 100, maybe more.
100? Wow.
Yes, and they go to many countries like Japan and America and France.
I want to go to all the countries.
Maybe one day, but today we go to Osaka.
Okay, Daddy. Osaka first.
That's right. Now look at the signs. The signs are in English and Japanese.
Yes.
Airports use many languages.
Daddy, I can read some words.
Wow, that's great. What can you read?
I can read exit and stop.
Very good. You are smart.
Thank you, Daddy.
Marco, good morning. May I see your tickets, please?
Good morning. Here are our tickets and passports.
Thank you. You are flying to Osaka today, right?
Yes, we are flying to Osaka.
How many bags do you have today?
We have 2 bags, this big one and the small one.
Okay. Please put the big bag here on the scale.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. It weighs 20 kilograms. That is fine.
Oh, good. I was a little worried.
Many people worry about that.
Erica, yes, I packed a lot of clothes for my daughter.
Your daughter is very cute. Is this her first flight?
Yes, this is her first flight. She is very excited.
Oh, that's wonderful. She looks very happy.
She is. She talks about the airplane every day.
That's so sweet. And what is the bear's name?
His name is Bear. He goes everywhere with her.
That's lovely. Here are your boarding passes.
Thank you very much.
Your seats are 14A and 14B. 14A is the window seat.
Perfect. My daughter wants the window seat.
Great. Your bags are checked in. The gate is number 8.
Erica, gate number 8? Thank you.
Boarding starts at 10:30.
Okay, 10:30. We will be there.
The gate is on the 2nd floor. Take the escalator.
The 2nd floor. Got it.
Have a nice flight. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
One more thing. Please be at the gate by 10.
10, not 10:30.
Yes, please come early. It is better with children.
Oh, I understand. Thank you for telling me.
You're welcome. Safe travels, Sophie.
Erica, we are at the security check now. What do we do here, Daddy?
We put our bags on this belt. Then they check them.
Okay. Can I keep Bear with me?
No, sweetie. Bear must go on the belt too.
No, Bear is scared.
It's okay, Sophie. Bear will be fine.
But Daddy, he doesn't like dark places.
I know. But Bear is a brave bear, right?
Yes, he is brave. But still, look, the belt is very short. Bear will come back fast.
Really? How fast?
very fast, like 5 seconds.
5 seconds is short.
Yes, very short. You can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, I can count fast.
Good girl. And Bear is not alone.
He is not alone?
No, our bag is with him. He has a friend. Oh, Bear has a friend.
Yes, so he is not scared.
Okay. Bear, please be brave.
Put Bear here gently. Bye-bye, Bear. See you soon.
He will come back. Don't worry, Daddy. I will count. 1, 2, 3,
That's a good idea.
4, 5. Daddy, there is Bear.
Yes, look, Bear is back.
Bear, are you okay? I missed you. See, everything is okay. Bear was very brave.
Thank you, Daddy. Bear is happy now. I am happy too.
Daddy, was Bear really brave?
Yes, he was very brave. Like a hero.
A hero bear.
Yes. Now let's go to the gate.
Okay, Bear, you can come with me now.
Hold my hand, Sophie.
Okay, Daddy, I'm holding Bear too.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, hello? How can I help you? When will the airplane leave? It will leave very soon, in about 30 minutes. 30 minutes? That feels long. It is not so long. Are you excited? Yes, very excited. It is my first time. Oh, your first flight. That is wonderful. Look, that airplane is so big. Yes, it is. That is your airplane? Really? That one over there? Yes, that white one with the red line. Wow, it looks so cool. Where are you going today? We are going to Osaka with my daddy. Osaka is a fun city. You will love it. Will the airplane go very fast? Yes, really fast. Faster than a car. Faster than a car. Wow. And it flies high in the sky? Yes, you can see many clouds. They look soft. I want to go now. Soon? Soon. Please wait a little more.
Marco,
Excuse me, when will it leave now?
about 25 minutes now.
25 minutes. That is still long.
You can look out the window. Time will go fast.
Okay, I see many airplanes.
Yes, some are coming, some are going. That one is moving.
Yes, it is going to take off.
Take off. What is take off?
It means the airplane goes up into the sky. Oh, I see. Like a bird.
Yes, like a really big bird.
Can the airplane fly in the rain?
Yes, it can. Airplanes are very strong.
What about snow?
Yes, even in snow. The pilots are very good.
Wow, pilots are amazing.
They study for many years.
I want to be a pilot one day.
That's a wonderful dream.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great flight. Marco, welcome aboard, sir. May I see your boarding passes?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Seats 14A and 14B.
That's right. Your seats are on the left. Please walk this way.
Thank you. Is this her first flight?
Yes, it is. She is a little nervous.
Oh, don't worry. We will take good care of her.
Thank you. That's very kind.
How old is she?
She is 6 years old.
She is so cute. And she has a teddy bear, too.
Yes, that is Bear. He goes everywhere with her.
That's lovely. Welcome aboard, little one.
Sophie, say hello to the nice lady. She is shy.
That's okay.
Yes, a little shy today. Many children are shy on their first flight.
Oh, really? That makes me feel better. Yes, but she will love it. The flight is short. How long is the flight? About 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Oh, that is not long.
No, it is short, and we will give her a small gift.
A gift? Oh, she will be so happy.
It is a small toy. We have one for every child.
That is very kind. Thank you.
If you need anything, please call me.
Thank you very much.
We will enjoy your flight. Thank you. Come on, and Sophie, let's find our seats.
Oh, sir, one more thing.
Yes?
After takeoff, the seatbelt sign will turn off.
Okay, and then we can move?
Yes, but please stay in your seat with your daughter.
Of course, I will keep her safe.
Thank you. Have a wonderful trip.
Thank you again.
Marco. Okay, Sophie, let's sit down.
Dottie, this seat is small.
A little, but it is comfortable. Now fasten your seatbelt.
How do I do it?
Like this. Put this part in here. Click.
I did it.
Good job. Now let's wait.
Daddy, what is that voice?
That is the pilot. He is saying hello.
The pilot? Where is he?
He is in the front of the airplane.
Oh, I see. Look, the airplane is moving.
Yes, it is.
It's okay, sweetie. Hold my hand.
It's okay, Daddy. Hold my hand.
Will we be okay? Yes, we will be okay. I am here.
It's going faster.
Yes, it is taking off now.
Daddy, Daddy.
I'm here. Don't worry. We are okay.
My ears feel funny.
That is normal. Try to swallow.
Okay. Oh, it feels better now.
Good. You can also yawn. That helps too.
Yawn like this?
Yes, like that.
I feel better now.
Look out the window now.
Wow, look! What do you see?
The city looks so small.
Yes, the cars look like ants. The houses are tiny.
We are flying high in the sky now.
We are flying, Daddy. We are really flying.
Yes, we are. How do you feel?
I am not scared now. I am happy.
I am happy too, sweetie.
Daddy, look at the river.
Yes, the river looks like a long line, and the trees are so small. Everything is small from up here.
Is that the sea?
Yes, that blue is the sea. It is so big and blue.
Daddy, I love flying.
I'm so happy to hear that.
Can we fly again soon?
Maybe next year. We will see.
Hello, little one. Do you need something?
Can I have some apple juice, please?
Sure. One moment.
Thank you.
Here you go. Be careful. It's full.
Thank you very much.
Is your daddy sleeping?
Yes, he is very tired today.
Daddies get tired sometimes.
Yes, he worked a lot this week.
That's very nice of him to bring you on a trip.
Yes, my daddy is the best.
That is sweet. I am having fun too. I love airplanes.
Oh, that's wonderful. At first, I was scared.
Really? But you are okay now.
Yes, now I love it. The sky is so pretty.
Marco? Yes, the sky is super pretty today. Look at the clouds. They are beautiful.
Right. The clouds look soft, like cotton candy.
Cotton candy? That's a cute idea.
Can I touch the clouds?
No, we can't touch them, but we can look at them.
Why can't we touch them?
We cannot touch them because they are outside the airplane, and they are made of water.
Water, but they look like cotton.
I know, but it is true. Tiny drops of water.
Wow, that is amazing.
Yes, it is.
I want to fly again.
Maybe you will, with your daddy.
Yes, Daddy and me, and Bear too. Bear loves flying too.
Yes, he is brave now.
That's great. Where do you want to go next?
I want to go to America.
Marco. America. That is far, but really fun.
How long is the flight to America?
About 10 hours. It is a long flight.
10 hours. Wow, that is so long.
Yes, but you can sleep and watch movies.
Movies on the airplane? Really?
Yes, many movies. You can watch them on a small screen.
That sounds so fun.
It is. You will love it.
I want to see everything.
That's a great dream.
Thank you for the juice.
You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your flight.
I love airplanes.
I am happy you do. How was it?
I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What are clouds made of? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it?
If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.